Hello students, I'm Amrita Kulkarni. Welcome back to Amrita's Blink English. In this video, we are going to study next chapter from class 7 mathematics, that is triangle and its properties. This chapter is extremely important. It is a little bit big chapter. In this chapter, we are going to study triangles, various types of triangles, different properties of triangle and Pythagoras theorem which is applied to right angle triangle. Triangle. A triangle is a closed curve made up of three line segments. It has three vertices, three sides and three angles. Here is a triangle ABC. It has three sides, side AB, side BC and side CA. Angles, angle BAC, angle ABC and angle BCA. You can also denote these angles just by angle A, angle B and angle C. And the vertices are A, B and C. Triangle is basically a closed geometrical figure which has three sides. Now when these three sides are joined together, at that time they form three angles. So basically any closed figure which has three angles and three sides is known as a triangle. So obviously triangle will have three vertices, three angles and three sides. Types of triangle based on the sides: scalene triangle, isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle. Now there are three examples: triangle ABC, triangle PQR and triangle XYZ. Now example of scalene triangle is triangle ABC. In scalene triangle, any of the side of the triangle is not equal. In isosceles triangle, what happens is, if any two sides of the triangle are equal, then it is called as an isosceles triangle. For example, side PQ is equal to side PR. And the third type is equilateral triangle, where all three sides of the triangle are equal. So side XY is equal to side YZ is equal to side ZX. Types of triangles based on angles. Just now we have seen types of triangle based on their sides. Now we are going to discuss types of triangle based on their angle: acute angled, obtuse angled and right angled triangle. Acute angle, for example, triangle PQR. Here all three angles of the triangle are acute angle. Now what do you mean by an acute angle? Is the angle which is less than 90 degree. So measure of the angle is from 0 degree to 90 degree. Then you have obtuse angle triangle. Any one angle of the triangle, if it is an obtuse angle, then such triangle is called as obtuse angle triangle. What do you mean by obtuse angle? If the measure of the angle is from 90 degree to 180 degree, then it is called as obtuse angle triangle. And right angle triangle, if any one angle of the triangle is right angle, that is it is of 90 degree, then it is called as right angle triangle. Write 6 elements of triangle ABC. Now here triangle ABC is given. So 6 elements will be 3 sides and 3 angles. Now which all are the 3 sides? Side AB, side BC and side CA. And 3 angles are angle BAC, angle ABC and angle BCA. Write the side opposite to the vertex Q of triangle PQR, angle opposite to the side LM of triangle LMN, vertex opposite to the side RT of triangle RST. Now let's say we will draw the rough figures of all these triangles. So let's say if I draw triangle PQR, then which is the side which is opposite to the vertex Q is side PR. So answer of the first question is side PR. Then we'll draw triangle LMN. Then angle opposite to the side LM. So this is side LM. So which is the angle opposite to this? Is angle N. That is angle N or angle MNL or angle LNM. Then I will also draw triangle RST. Vertex opposite to side RT is angle S, that is vertex S. Look at the figure and classify each of the triangles according to its sides and angles. According to sides, as side AC and side BC are equal, it will be isosceles triangle, and as all the angles are acute angle, hence according to angles it is acute angled triangle. Look at the figure and classify each of the following triangles according to its sides and angles. Now, according to the side, it is scalene triangle as any of the side is not equal to each other, and as one of the angle is of 90 degree, that then hence it is right angled triangle. Triangle LNM, in this triangle side MN is equal to side LN, which is equal to 7 centimeter, hence it is isosceles triangle, and as angle LNM is an obtuse angle, hence it is obtuse angled triangle. Triangle PQR, in this triangle PQR, all three sides, that is PQ, QR and RP, are equal, which is equal to 5.2 centimeters, hence it is equilateral triangle, and all three angles are acute angle, hence it is acute angled triangle. In triangle ABC, side AB and side BC is equal to 3 centimeter, hence according to sides it is isosceles triangle, and angle ABC is obtuse angle, that's why it is obtuse angle triangle. In triangle PQR, side PQ is equal to side QR, which is equal to 6 centimeter, hence it is isosceles triangle, and as angle PQR is 90 degree, hence it is right angled triangle. Till now in this video, we have studied what are the basic 6 elements of the triangle, that is 3 sides and 3 angles. According to the sides and according to the angles, which all are the types of triangle, that also we have studied. So now if I give you elements, so according by just seeing at the elements, you can identify what is the type of that particular triangle. Now we'll move ahead in the next part of the video. Median of a triangle. The line segment AD joining midpoints BC to its opposite vertex A is called as a median of a triangle. A median connects the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. So basically, if you take any vertex of the triangle and the side which is in front of that vertex, so what you need to do is you need to take the midpoint of that side. So vertex and midpoint of the opposite side, if you join these two points, then you will get the median. So obviously there will be 3 median to any of the triangle as there are 3 vertices. How many medians can a triangle have? Just now we have discussed that a triangle can have 3 medians. For example, in the given triangle, there is a triangle PQR, PS is the median, QT is the median and RQ is the median. Does a median lie wholly in the interior part of the triangle? If you think that this is not true, draw a figure to show such a case. Yes, median lies wholly in the interior part of the triangle. For any triangle, the median lies wholly in the interior part of the triangle. For any triangle, median always lie in the interior part of the triangle. Altitude of the triangle. An altitude has one endpoint at the vertex of the triangle and other on the line containing the opposite side. Through each vertex, an altitude can be drawn. What is an altitude? So, if you draw a perpendicular from each vertex to the side which is opposite to that vertex, then that line is called as an altitude. So basically, again here also, as you have 3 vertices, you will be able to have 3 altitudes for any triangle. How many altitudes can a triangle have? 3 altitudes, each from one vertex. Altitudes of a triangle. For example, if I have acute angle triangle PQR, then PN is perpendicular to QR, QM is perpendicular to PR, and RL is also perpendicular to PQ. So PN, QM and RL are altitude of the triangle. Now in case of right angle triangle, PQR, QN is perpendicular to PR. So QN is a altitude. But if I try to draw altitude from vertex P to QR, then it will be the same as side PQ. So PQ, although PQ is a side of the triangle, but it is also an altitude. And in case of a scalene triangle, so let's say in scalene triangle PQR, you can always draw a perpendicular RN to side PQ. But if I try to draw perpendicular PM to side QR, then that lies to the exterior part of the triangle. So basically in case of altitude, in case of only acute angle triangle, altitudes lie inside the triangle. In case of right angle triangle, altitude lies along with the side of the triangle, and in case of obtuse angle triangle, the altitude lies outside the triangle. Will an altitude always lie in the interior part of a triangle? Just now we have discussed, no. It will be, in case of right angle triangle, it will be along with the side of the triangle, or in case of scalene triangle, it will be on the exterior part. Can altitude and median be same for a triangle? Yes. In case of acute angle equilateral triangle, all the medians and all the altitudes are same. So suppose there is a triangle PQR, then PS, QT and RU are median as well as they are altitude of the triangle. Exterior angle of a triangle and its property. The angle which lies to the exterior part of the triangle is called as an exterior angle. So suppose you extend any one of the side, then the angle formed is called as an exterior angle. An exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. An exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. Consider triangle ABC. Now here in triangle ABC, angle ACD is an exterior angle. So what we need to show is, we need to show that measure of angle ACD is equal to measure of angle A plus measure of angle B. In order to prove this theorem, what we need to do is, we can from point C will draw a line CE which is parallel to BA. Now as we draw a parallel line, we can say that angle 1 is equal to angle X. We have seen alternate opposite angles. So angle 1 is equal to angle X, and as BA is parallel to CE and AC is a transversal. Therefore alternate angles should be equal. Similarly, angle 2 is equal to angle Y. Now how 2 is equal to Y? BA is parallel to this 2 is equal to this Y. BA is parallel to CE and BD is a transversal, therefore corresponding angles are equal. Now angle ACD is equal to angle X plus Y. Now angle 1 plus 2 is equal to angle X plus Y. But X plus Y is nothing but angle ACD, and hence we can say angle ACD is equal to angle 1 plus 2. Find angle X in the figure. Now we have studied the property sum of interior opposite angles is equal to exterior angle. Now what is the exterior angle here? Exterior angle is this one, which is equal to 110 degree. One of the interior angle is 50 degree and another interior angle is X. So we can say that 50 plus x is equal to 110 degree, and hence x is equal to 110 minus 50. X is equal to 110 minus 50, which is equal to 60 degree. An exterior angle of a triangle is of the measure 70 degree and one of its interior opposite angle is of the measure 25 degree. Find the measure of the other interior opposite angle. Now we are aware sum of interior opposite angles is equal to exterior angle. Now one of the interior angle is given as 25 degree and another interior angle is asked, so we will assume that angle as x. An exterior angle is given as 70 degree, hence we can create the equation 25 degree plus x is equal to 70 degree, hence x is equal to 70 minus 25, which is equal to 55 degree, and hence the other interior angle is 55 degree. The two interior opposite angles of an exterior angle of a triangle are 60 degree and 80 degree. Find the measure of exterior angle. Now we are aware exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Now here two interior angles are given, 60 degree and 80 degree. Hence exterior angle is equal to 60 degree plus 80 degree, which is equal to 140 degree is our final answer. Is something wrong in this diagram? In this diagram, two interior angles are given, 50 degree and 50 degree, and exterior angle is given as 50 degree as well. But we are aware sum of interior opposite angle should always be equal to exterior angle. But here 50 degree plus 50 degree, it should be equal to 100 degree, but here it is given as only 50 degree. Hence mathematically this 100 degree is not equal to 50 degree. Hence this angle should have been 100 degree instead of 50 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle. Now we have seen exterior angle property of the triangle. Now we will see angle sum property of a triangle. The total measure of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. In any triangle, the summation of all the angles of the triangle is always equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle. So given there is a triangle given, triangle A, B and C. So angle A is equal to 1, angle B is 2 and angle C is 3, and angle 4, that is angle ACD, is an exterior angle. So 4 is an exterior angle when BC is extended to D. Let's say by exterior angle property theorem, angle 1 plus 2 is equal to angle 4. Hence we can say that angle 4 plus 3, angle 3 plus 4 are linear angles. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Now if we just add angle 3 to both the sides, then on the left hand side we have angle 1 plus 2 plus 3, and on the right hand side we have angle 4 plus angle 3. But angle 4 and 3 are linear pair, hence it is 180 degree, and hence angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 180 degree. In the given figure, find measure of angle P. Now in triangle PQR, angle P we need to find out. Angle Q is given as 47 degree, angle R is given as 52 degree. So by angle sum property of the triangle, angle P plus 47 degree plus 52 degree is equal to 180 degree, and hence measure of angle P is equal to 180 minus 47 minus 52, that is 180 minus 99, which is equal to 81 degree. Now let's see specific types of a triangle. First is equilateral triangle. A triangle in which all three sides of a triangle are equal length is called as an equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all the sides, that is side PQ, side QR and side RP is having equal length, and all three angles are also equal, that is angle P is equal to angle Q is equal to angle R, which is equal to 60 degree. So all 6 elements, 3 sides and 3 angles of equilateral triangle are equal. Next type is isosceles triangle. A triangle in which two sides are equal lengths is called as an isosceles triangle. In equilateral triangle, all three sides are equal. In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. So, side PQ and side PR are equal, and two sides have same length, and base angle opposite to the equal sides are equal. Hence, base angle, that is angle Q and angle R, is equal. Find angle X in the figure. Now, as two sides are equal, so given triangle is isosceles triangle. Hence, we are aware in isosceles triangle, base angles opposite to the equal sides are equal, and hence X is equal to 40 degree. Find angle X in the figure. Given triangle is isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, base angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. So, let's say base angle is Y. So, this angle is Y. Then this Y is 45 degree, which is equal to 45 degree. Hence, we can say that now angle sum property X plus 45 is equal to 180 degree. That is X plus 90 is equal to 180, and hence X is equal to 90 degree. Find angle X in the figure. Given triangle is isosceles triangle as two sides are equal. In isosceles triangle, base angles opposite to the equal sides are equal, and hence X is equal to 50 degree. Find angle X in the figure. Given triangle is isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, base angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Now, this angle is X, so this angle will also be X. Hence, we can say that X plus 100 is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. So, 2x plus 100 is equal to 180 degree, 2x is equal to 80, and hence X is equal to 40 degree. Find angle X in the figure. Given triangle is isosceles right angle triangle. It is given that the triangle is right angle triangle. So, in isosceles triangle, base angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. So, let us say now this angle is 90 degree. Hence, as one of the angle is X, another angle will also be X. So, X plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. 2x plus 90 is equal to 180. So, 2x is equal to 90 and X is equal to 45 degree. Find angle X in the figure. Now, given triangle is isosceles triangle. So, if this angle is X, another angle is also X. In isosceles triangle, base angles opposite to equal sides are equal. And now, by angle sum property, X plus 40 is equal to 180 degree. So, 2x plus 40 is equal to 180 degree. 2x is equal to 140. X is equal to 70 degree. Find angle X in the figure. Given triangle is isosceles triangle. So, if this angle is X, another angle is also X. Now, in isosceles triangle, base angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So, X plus 120 is equal to 180 degree. Now, this angle forms a linear pair. Hence, X plus 120 is equal to 180 degree. That is, X is equal to 180 minus 120, that is 60 degree. Find angle X in the figure. Now, in this figure, 110 degree is an exterior angle. So, let us say respective interior angle is Z. So, 110 degree and Z will be an linear angle. So, Z plus 110 degree is equal to 180 degree, and hence Z is equal to 70 degree. So, the apex angle of the triangle is 70 degree. Now, given triangle is isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, base angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. Hence, base angle is X. So we can say that x plus 70 is equal to 180 degree by internal angle theorem of a triangle. So x plus 70 is equal to 180 degree. 2x plus 70 is equal to 180. 2x is equal to 110 degree. X is equal to 55 degree. Find angle x in the figure. Now given triangle is isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, base angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Hence this angle is x degree. Now this 30 degree and x are vertically opposite angles. So x is equal to 30 degree. Find angle x and y in the figure. Given triangle is isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, base angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Now let's say apex angle is x, exterior angle is 120 degree. Let's say respective angle to 120 degree is z. So z plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree because this is a linear angle. Hence z is equal to 60 degree. Now as z is equal to 60 degree, y is also equal to 60 degree. And now by angle sum property, x plus 60 is equal to 180. That is x plus 120 is equal to 180 degree and hence x is equal to 60 degree. Find angle x and y in the figure. Now given triangle is isosceles right angle triangle. As this angle is x, this angle will also be x and this is 90 degree. So x plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. 2x plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. 2x is equal to 90 and x is equal to 45 degree. And now this x and y are linear pair. So x plus y is equal to 180 degree. 45 plus y is equal to 180 degree equal to, hence y is equal to 180 minus 45 is equal to 135 degree. Find angle x and y in the figure. Given angle is isosceles angle. Given triangle is isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, base angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. Hence if this is x, this angle will also be x. Now as this angle is 92 degree, this angle will also be 92 degree as it is vertically opposite angle. So now we can say 92 plus x is equal to 180 degree. So 2x plus 92 is equal to 180 degree. 2x is equal to 180 minus 92 which is equal to 88. X is equal to 44 degree. And now this x and y are in linear pair. So 44 plus y is equal to 180 degree. Y is equal to 180 minus 44 is equal to 136 degree. Hence y is equal to 136 degree. Now next theorem is sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle. Just now we have studied exterior angle property of a triangle and sum of interior angle property of a triangle. Now we will study the property which is related to the sum of lengths of the angle. The sum of lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. In any triangle, the sum of lengths of any two sides of the triangle is always greater than the third side. Is there a triangle whose side have lengths 10.2 cm, 5.8 cm and 4.5 cm? Just now we have studied the theorem that at any given point of time, the sum of any two sides of a triangle is should always be greater than the third side. So we will check all three combinations. So let's say 4.5 plus 5.8. Is it greater than 10.2? Yes. Then we'll check another two sides. Let's say 5.8 plus 10.2. Is it greater than 4.5? Yes. And the third check is 10.2 plus 4.5. Is it greater than 5.8? Yes. So all three combinations, if we check all three combinations, the sum is always greater than the third remaining side, and hence such triangle is always possible. The lengths of two sides of a triangle are 6 cm and 8 cm. Between which two numbers can the length of the third side fall? We know that the sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Therefore, the third side has to be less than the sum of two sides. The third side is thus less than 8 plus 6 is equal to 14 cm, and the side cannot be less than the difference of two sides. The third side has to be more than 8 minus 6, that is 2 cm. Hence we can say that the length of the third side could be any length which is greater than 2 and less than 14 cm. Now we'll move to last part of this video, that is right angle triangle and Pythagoras property. Now what is Pythagoras property? In any right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of the legs. So for example, in the given diagram, let's say C is the hypotenuse and A and B are the sides. Then hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of the legs, that is C square is equal to A square plus B square. In the Pythagoras, if the Pythagoras property holds, the triangle must be right angled. Determine whether the triangle whose length of the sides are 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm is right angled or not. Now let's say 3 square is equal to 3 into 3, which is equal to 9. 4 square is 4 into 4, which is equal to 16, and 5 square is 5 into 5, which is equal to 25. Now can we say that 9 plus 16 is equal to 25? Yes. That means we can say 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square, and hence it is a right angled triangle. In any right angled triangle, hypotenuse happens to be the longest side. So in this example, 5 is a hypotenuse. Triangle ABC is right angled at C if AC is equal to 5 cm and BC is equal to 12 cm. Find the length of AB. By Pythagoras property, AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. So AB square is equal to 5 square plus 12 square, 25 plus 144, which is equal to 169. Hence AB is equal to square root of 169, which is equal to 13 cm. Find the unknown length x in the following figure. By Pythagoras property, now x is a hypotenuse. So x square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. So x square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. So x square is equal to 9 plus 16. X square is equal to 25. X is equal to square root of 25, that is 5 units. Find the unknown length x. Now here also x is a hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras property, x square is equal to 6 square plus 8 square, which is equal to 36 plus 64, which is equal to 100. Hence x is equal to square root of 100, which is equal to 10 units. Find the unknown length x in the following figure. Now here also x is a hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras property, x square is equal to 8 square plus 15 square is equal to 64 plus 225, which is equal to 289. Hence x is equal to square root of 289, which is equal to 17 cm. Find the unknown length x in the figure. X, 24 and 7. By Pythagoras property, x square is equal to 24 square plus 7 square, which is equal to 576 plus 49, which is equal to 625. Hence x is equal to square root of 625, which is equal to 25 units. Find the unknown length x in the following figure. Now, in this triangle, by RHS property, there are two given triangles which are congruent. So 37 and 37, and 12 is the common side and 1 is the right angle. So two triangles are congruent. Now as total base is x, each side will be x by 2. Now by Pythagoras property, x by 2 square plus 12 square is equal to 37 square. So x square upon 4 plus 144 is equal to 1369. So x square upon 4 is equal to 1369 minus 144, which is equal to 1225. Hence x square is equal to 1225 into 4. So x is equal to square root of 1225 into 4, that is 35 into 2, which is equal to 70. Hence x is equal to 70 units. Thank you for watching the complete video. In this video, we have seen what is triangles, what are the elements of triangle, what are the types of triangle, what are different properties of the triangle. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment box. If you would like to watch this video in Marathi language, the same video is available in Marathi language on Amrita's Blink. Thank you.